Hello everyone. So today we are given an interesting question. We'll try to solve this in a very easy manner. It is asked that the mole fraction of a solute in a given solution is 0.1. At 298 Kelvin, molarity of the solution is the same as the molality. It is given that the density of the solution at 298 Kelvin, that is the same temperature as this, is 2 gram per centimeter cube. The ratio of the molecular weights is asked, the molecular weights of the solute by the molecular weight of the solvent. So we need to find this ratio. To find this ratio, we'll get three equations from three things. So we'll start with the solution. The three things are, number one, we'll find with the mole fraction. Number two, we'll get from this equation that is asked that the molarity is equal to molality. Number three, that is the density is given. So we start with the first task, that is mole fraction of the solute is 0.1. We'll write as it is, that is mole fraction of the solute, that is chi b. We denote solute with B and solvent with A. So chi b is given as 0.1. We also know that this equation, that is mole fraction of solvent plus mole fraction of solute, is equal to 1. From here we can find the mole fraction of solvent, that is chi A is equal to 1 minus chi B. From here we get chi A is equal to 1 minus, that is 0.1. Therefore, chi A is equal to 0.9. So our first task is done. We found this equation, that is mole fraction of the solvent is 0.9 and the mole fraction of the solute is given as 0.1. We'll proceed to the next task, that is the molarity is equal to molality. So at 298 Kelvin, the molarity is same as the molality. We'll write as it is given in the question, that is molarity is equal to molality. We everyone know that molarity is equal to number of moles of solute by volume of solution. And if the solution is in ml, we need to multiply by 1000. And we know that molality, that's number of moles by weight of solvent. And if this is in gram, we multiply with 1000 as well. From this equation, 1000 and 1000 get cancelled, number of moles of solute get cancelled. From here, we get volume of solution is equal to weight of solvent. This is the second equation. So our second task is done. Now we'll proceed with the density. Density of the solution at 298 Kelvin is 2 gram per centimeter cube. We'll write as it is. Density of the solution is given as 2 gram per centimeter cube. Now this is equal to 2 gram per ml, because 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml. We also know that density is equal to mass by volume. We represent mass by W and volume by V. So for solution, everything will be solution. For solution, we are given that density, that is 2, is equal to weight of solution by volume of solution. From here we get that volume of solution is equal to weight of solution by 2. That is, the weight of solution is 2 times the volume of solution. Therefore, also we know that weight of solution is equal to weight of solvent plus weight of solute. And then we can represent it here, that is volume of solution is equal to weight of solvent plus weight of solute by 2. We get this third equation. Now we'll put this volume of solution value in our second equation. So from 2 and 3, we get volume of solution, we write this, weight of solvent plus weight of solute by 2 is equal to, volume of solution was equal to, where it went, that is equal to weight of the solvent. Okay, so from here we get WA plus WB is equal to 2 times WA. Therefore, if we take this, this will get subtracted. Therefore, the weight of the solvent is equal to weight of the solute. Now we will proceed to our final task. This was our fourth equation. Finally, we will say that we all know that mole fraction of the solute by mole fraction of the solvent is equal to number of moles of solute by number of moles of solvent. Now, this can be represented as number of moles of solute can be represented as the weight of the solute by molecular weight of solute. And for solvent, this will be weight of the solvent by molecular weight of the solvent. And from this equation, we know that this and this are equal. So this and this will get cancelled out. Therefore, molecular weight of solvent by molecular weight of solute. And also we know that we found out that molecular weight of the mole fraction of the solute was 0.1, and we find out the mole fraction of the solvent was 0.9. So this will be equal to 0.1 by 0.9. That's equal to 1 by 9. But we are asked to find out the the molecular weight of the solute by molecular weight of solvent. So we'll just do the reciprocal of this. Therefore, our answer is molecular weight of solute by molecular weight of solvent is equal to 9 by 1 or 9. Thank you, everyone.